Hi guys, what's up? I'm Chantal and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about hearing support Cortexi before you actually buy this product. Okay, so I also have two really important alerts you really shouldn't miss, so pay very close attention to what I have to tell you. And the first thing you need to know about Cortexi is to be careful with the website which you're going to buy Cortexi because Cortexi is only sold on its official website, okay? Don't worry, to help you out, the link to the official website is down below in the description box and also in the first comment. So guys, what is exactly Cortexi and does it really work? Yes, Cortexi works and delivers excellent results. See, after many lab tests, researchers has identified that there's a natural formula with concentrated ingredients which provides a hearing aid for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s and up to 70s. And that is because it has been designed based on teachings of modern science. The Cortexi's formula is very gentle yet very powerful at the same time, using pure vegetable ingredients and natural minerals. And you can rest easy knowing it's manufactured in the United States at a state-of-the-art, FDA registered and GMP certified, okay? Cortexi is a powerful and effective hearing support in an all-day power helper. Thousands of people are enjoying to take Cortexi every day with great results because once your body adapts to the ingredients, you notice less noise and improved hearing health. So yes, you can really trust this product. Now, something really good and important about Cortexi that you need to know before you buy it is that you can actually try Cortexi for 60 days. And if you don't see any results, you don't like it, what is unlikely, you get your money back. Simple as that. That is why it's so important to buy Cortexi on its official website. So not only you'll make sure to receive the original supplement, as you'll be well assured by the producer's warranty. In addition, keep in mind that for Cortexi to work properly and you get the best out of it, you need to take your treatment seriously. So in this case, you must take one dropper in the morning before breakfast and another one before lunch every day. You can place it under your tongue, dissolve into a glass of water or natural juice. Whatever you choose, by doing it consistently, you'll love the results and how you feel. A full dropper contains like 15 drops of liquid. Although you can see initial results of Cortexi in the first month, most of people have better results after 3 months of consistent use of this product. Also, it's important to review Cortexi has no side effects as it's all natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you buy Cortexi, and as I said, I will be leaving the link of the official website down below in this video description. And also, if you decide to go through it and buy the product, do the exact treatment as recommended and take it seriously to enjoy all its incredible benefits. Your results depend on you getting the right treatment every day, okay? But that's all for today. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Cortexi really helps you a lot on improving your life and that you get the best benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching and see you soon.